YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys unboxing on this Cascade 40-inch, or it's equivalent to 101.6 centimeter. This is the tower fan. It comes with the 4-speed, ultra quiet, acceleration, and then 15 hours timer, automatic shuts off. And it comes with the 3 modes, which is standard, evening, and breeze. It also comes with the include remote control, and it is powered by Duracell batteries. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Anyway, I'm going to tell you guys the deal right now. Right now, this one is going for only $19.99 plus tax at Costco. Okay, regular price is $29.99. So I bought this similar fan from Target a couple years back, and it was $79.99 plus tax. So I'm not sure if the price come down or what's going on, or Costco is getting an awesome deal from the manufacturer. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys the 360 at the box real quick, guys. It says convenient remote storage, ideal for home or workplace. Accessory not included. It says Blackstone. Not sure why does it say Blackstone. Accessory not included. I'm not sure what kind of accessories. Perfect for bedroom, basement, family room, garage, and more. And then that's the EPC code, just in case you guys need it. So it come unassembled on from the base, so you had to assemble yourself. Okay. So it comes with this two plates. Let me take out the plastics. So this is like when you put it together, it's like a circular. So there's a groove right here. Okay, make sure you gotta go into that hole. And then that's it. Okay, and you probably screw those four screws in there, and then there's a wire. I mean, there's a gap for your wire to go through the hole out here. And it comes with this instruction manual, and then yep. So it comes with this what is it? 2, 4. It comes with 4 of the silver screws that you need to use a Phillips screwdriver in order to put it together for the base. And this is the remote that comes with it. It's pretty thin and then portable. So I guess that's a fan control. That's a different mode and oscillation, on and off button, and then there is your timer button right there. Okay. I believe this one they use a coin battery. Let me see what kind of battery you use. There you go. So this is the battery that you use. What size is it? CR what? So this one is CR2032, and then you got this plastic protective. You got to remove in order to use it. Okay. Let me read the number real quick for you guys. See. So it's a DL2032. It's same as a CR2032. Probably it says DL mean Duracell lithium ion battery. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video and subscribe to the channel if you can do so yet, and be sure to turn on the bell for notification. Go out there and grab it as soon as you can, because when I was out there, people are grabbing like 2 or 3 at the same time, because for less than 20 bucks, you cannot go around with this tower fan, and then summer is coming around the corner real fast. So grab it while you can before it runs out, alright? Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out. Happy Monday. I'm just going to show you guys a quick install real quick so you guys can mess it up. You need screws, the 6 screws that come with it, and then a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, all right? And then the plate that come with it. Make sure the wire is going through the holes. Before install, I'm going to show you guys, make sure you guys know what you're doing, okay? There are like 4 holes right here. in the midsection. And then on the other plate, you got 4 of those posts. You got to make sure it goes in there, almost like a Lego, and they just connect together. Okay. And the hole, you got to match it up. There's a post right here that is sticking out. So you got 4 holes right there for the screws, and then 1 hole there for you to line. So that means you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a hole in the middle for that post to go through it. There you go, like that. Okay. All right, so after that, you got to make sure you put your cable through in this slot right there for the wire to come out. And now you're probably wondering, what about the other 2 screws? All right, so the other 2 screws will go into this outer holes right there. Okay, so there's your 5 and the 6 screws that is going to go in there. And don't over tighten it too much, or else you're going to crack the plastic. So that's it. And then here is your remote slot, okay? And this is a handle for you to carry around.